The modern workplace is experiencing a learning revolution. Traditional pillars, characterized by extensive lectures and voluminous manuals, are falling short in today's dynamic work environment. These methods, once standard, now lead to alarmingly low engagement and retention. Employees are in search of learning experiences that not only keep pace with the rapid developments in business, but are also tailored to the evolving skill requirements. The one-size-fits-all approach of yesterday fails to engage a workforce that values relevance and immediacy. This mismatch highlights the urgent need for a paradigm shift in professional development that aligns with the unique dynamics of today's workplace. An innovative approach waits on the horizon, promising to transform these challenges into opportunities for growth. Stay tuned for a revolutionary strategy for 21st century learning. Transitioning from the acknowledged challenges of traditional learning, we introduce a transformative solution, Nano Learning. Designed for the modern learner, this concept distills complex information into concise, manageable segments. This approach seamlessly fits into the busy schedules of today's employees, delivering immediate, applicable value. Nano Learning excels by focusing on essential knowledge presented in bite-sized portions, enhancing both engagement and retention. Its efficacy is backed by real-world applications across various industries, showcasing benefits such as heightened productivity and accelerated skill acquisition. As we delve into the successes of Nano Learning, we will explore its substantial impact on workforce development and organizational growth, illustrating how it sets a new foundation for future learning endeavors. Concluding our exploration of modern learning methods, we spotlight the tangible advantages of Nano Learning. Beyond theory, its application in the real world has reinvigorated organizations, aligning workforce capabilities with rapidly evolving industry standards. These success stories exemplify Nano Learning's potential, heralding a bright future for workforce development. Looking ahead, the adaptability and efficiency of Nano Learning will be instrumental in equipping the workforce to tackle emerging challenges. Thus, as we contemplate Nano Learning's transformative effect, let's view it not as an endpoint, but as the commencement of an engaging, continuous journey of knowledge and empowerment for both learners and organizations worldwide.